Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create avatars on the Voa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the plus icon down below. Then you should select a style by sliding to the right side of the screen. After that, you should pick an avatar. Here down below you can find all of the available avatars, and then tap on add create. First of all,
if you want to know what you will look like when you grow old,
watch an ad.
First, open this thing. Take a picture.
And then, when the ad is over, you will be able to continue the process of creating your own avatar. Tap on the X icon in the upper left corner of the screen to close it, and as you can see, your creation is in progress. Here you can find it. If you would like to save it, tap on the save button, and as you slide to the right side you can find many avatars created based on your chosen one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.